Hi guys, so for today's vlog, I want to play some slime. That's my slime. That color is pink. That's me, sorry.
The bigger slime.
I have earphone. Yes, headset and earphone. So nice. When you and when you want that, come my house. I live Barangay San
Let's put together.
Roque.
Wait, let's get some more. Let's try. Let's put here.
I
Get up here. So
Rizal. Ay, Rizal lagi, Rizal.
Okay.
I know how to English, Bisaya, Tagalog.
It's so nice.
So let's Tagalog.
It's nice, guys. Let's put together.
Yan pa yung slime ko, malaki.
Let's put, guys.
Gusto nyo.
Let's put. What's meaning of 6, 7? Comment down below. Let's put, guys.
Ano pa na
Let's put.
meaning ng 6, 7 guys?
Yes,
Sa
okay.
comment, sa comment.
Wala, comment din.
Yan po yung glitters ko. Sa bracelet lang po yan. Kita nyo ba yung yellow? Yan po yung ano. Yan.
Wait, guys. Here, there is it, guys. So, let's mix. I have the... Let's add chocolate. Oh, she's not operating. Oh, no, she's not operating. Get off. Get off.
I am
Barbie sa slime. May nakot ka.
So, we're gonna
Sino ba pa shot?
play this.
Sige, shot ko kayo. Sabihin mo lang first. So, shot ko kayo. Ano ba nagdalog ko kayo? So, go. Comment now. And I will shout out you. Is it this point? Guys, you have school tomorrow? Me? I don't know. Let's open.
I have fun and classroom.
No, but I don't.
And
But
house, I don't have a friend. Can you be my
Oh no.
friend?
So, like, why are you? What's your name, guys? Please comment down below. Can you be my friend? I don't have her. But I have like a school. And how are you called? You know what? I like my comment.
That's all for today.
Guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Here's my mom and dad.
See you later. This
So,
one,
this is part one.
So that's all for today. Bye. See you to part 2.